In this video I'm going to show you how to tag someone in your Facebook story. So if you are out and you want to tag that friend, here's what you need to do. First, you need to open up Facebook. Once you open up Facebook, click on Create Story and then just take an image of whatever. Once you have taken the image, you want to click on See More and then click on Tag People, and from here you can tag whoever you want, and if you are done tagging, just click on Share and your Facebook story will now be live. And that's it, that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.